Introducing the Vantron MBOX6211. Powered by the Intel Celeron processor, the MBOX6211 proves that size isn't everything. Expand your possibilities with a wide range of industrial I/O ports, making MBOX6211 incredibly adaptable for your needs. It's packed with connectivity options for fast and reliable communication, both wired and wireless. Experience ultra-sharp visuals with Intel UHD Graphics, enabling smooth 4K video playback at 30 Hz, perfect for multimedia and industrial environments. Engineered for silent operation, its fanless design ensures quiet, reliable performance. Tiny yet mighty, the MBOX6211 shines in diverse settings, from factory automation to retail displays and gaming applications. Vantron MBOX6211, small in size, big on power.